Welcome to the beautiful Auckland Botanic Gardens, a peaceful escape just outside the city. Did you know this garden spans over 64 hectares and is home to more than 10,000 plants from around the world? From vibrant rose gardens to native New Zealand forests, every corner tells a different story. It's not just a place to relax, it's a living museum of plants, designed to inspire and educate visitors of all ages. Whether you're here for a walk, a picnic, or just some fresh air, this is nature at its finest in Auckland.